In this video, I will guide you through on how to download and install Phantom Wallet on your PC. So what we're going to do is we are going over to phantom.com. And from phantom.com, we are going to click on download at the top right. And in here we have a couple of options. We can download it for Firefox, Chrome, Brave or Edge. So depending on the browser you're on right now, go ahead and select the one to your preference. And in my case, that is Chrome. So let's click on Chrome. And in here we have this option to add to Chrome. So let's click on this. Click on add extension. And right now we can create a new wallet, or if you already have a wallet, you just click on this option and then connect your Apple ID or Google account. Or when you have a normal email, just go ahead and import your recovery phrase or your private key. And you can access these in your Phantom Wallet app on your mobile phone. So that is how you download or install Phantom Wallet on your PC. You will have an extension now, and to make it occur every time in your browser, you need to click on extensions and then pin Phantom. And right now you can basically click on Phantom every time you want, so it's easy to access it. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.